In today's tutorial, we're learning how to remove the person from a picture in Canva in just a few simple clicks. We're starting from a blank canvas and let's add our image. Here we can see it's a bit of an unfortunate timing with the person walking by the car, if the car is our main focus. What we can do is we can select the image. We can go to Edit Image on the top left. And here we have a few options. Let's go first to the magic grab and then select our person as well as the belongings so it's back. Click grab and then let the magic grab do its work. This will actually create a separate layer, so the person will become a separate layer, which you can then move around to the side of the picture. So in case you don't want to delete the person, you can move it and place it somewhere else in the picture, or you can just delete it if you want. Now if we zoom in on the picture, you can see there's a little bit of a blur going on, and also this we can change. Let's reset to the original. And then we click the image, go to Edit Image, and we go to Magic Eraser. Select the click, and now we can select the person as a whole. And I feel this does a little bit of a better job compared to the magic grab. This will remove the person entirely, but the background looks slightly better if you ask me. It's not perfect, but if you don't know, you won't notice probably. And this is how you remove a person from a picture in Canva in just a few simple clicks.